Matagumpay na inilunsad ng isang business forum na naglalayong makahikayat ng mga mamumuhunan sa itinatayong Bangsamoro. Ang detalye ng balita mula sa aming kasamang si Princess Habiba Sarik.
Paglago ng ekonomiya, pagpapaunlad sa rehiyon, pag-aangat ng buhay ng mga taga-Bangsamoro. Ilan lang mga pangarap na nais ng mga Moro na makita at maranasan, oras na maipatupad na sa kanilang lugar ang panukalang Bangsamoro Basic Law. Sa pagkakalusot ng butuhan sa pagpapasa ng BBL sa Kongreso nito lamang Mayo, hindi naging madali ito sa mga mambabatas. Naging mabusisi ito at naging kapanapanabig pa ang mga eksena.
It's not in the open engagement, but we have to find a way wherein there has to be an engagement between us and that of the office of the President, because we do not look at the result of the voting in the ad hoc committee as we will agree. There are issues there that we need really to engage with the office of the President. As far as our information is concerned, there is some unanimity as to the support of the proposal coming from the office of the President. But even that kind of proposal, we still have to look at it, especially on the issue of energy. Energy, as it was proposed, was transferred from the Bangsamoro government as exclusive power to that of the central government. So this is an area that would require engagement, because in the framework agreement of the Bangsamoro, inland waters wherein Lake Lalo is belonging to is part of the exclusive powers of the Bangsamoro.
Sa kabila nito, naroon pa rin ang pagiging positibo ng lahat ng makamit ang kaunlaran sa rehiyon. Sa lungsod Makati, inilunsad ng World Bank at Philippine Business for Social Progress o PBSP ang isang forum na sinunda naman ng isang press conference na dinaluhan ng humigit kumulang 80 government leaders, chief executive officers mula sa top companies ng bansa at foreign dignitaries mula sa international community. Layong maimbita at makahikayat ng mga interesadong mamumuhunan sa Bangsamoro region.
I think as a first activity, this is very successful and very encouraged kami talaga to continue the conversation on this thing. Talagang marami pang hamon, marami pang kailangang linawin. Pero ayun nga, maganda kasi ay very positive ang outlook ng lahat ng tao dito.
One point that I made inside, and it's relevant to all the individuals in this panel, is that there has been a tremendous amount of work already done prior to this BBL by the Bangsamoro Development Plan and the Bangsamoro Development Agency. I think they should be recognized as a community who have spent a great deal of time together with our multilateral partners, the World Bank, the ADB and JICA, in doing a great deal of work in creating a framework for development in the Bangsamoro area. There was also a general feeling in the air that the BBL is important to all of us as institutions, as businessmen.
Sa nasabing press con, nais nitong palawakin ang kanilang panawagan sa mga negosyante na mamuhunan sa Mindanao para sa pagkamit ng kaunlaran at kapayapaan sa nasabing rehiyon. Tinalakay din rito kung paano matulungan ang kabuhayan sa bubuing Bangsamoro maging ng potensyal nito na maaaring pagkakitaan.
What we have is hard commitments from a number of companies that will total up to about $340 million of investment. That would be in bananas and pineapple and coffee and cacao. That would generate about 22,000 jobs, direct employment. That's not counting the contract growing programs for cacao and coffee and abaca that will also come on stream. Some people have that no one will go, no one will invest. These are people who are ready to invest today, now.
Isa din sa malalaki na pag-usapan sa nasabing forum na ito ay ang sinusulong na Bangsamoro Development Plan na nakadisenyo para iangat ang pamumuhay sa Bangsamoro sa kabila ng iba't ibang problemang kinakaharap nito tulad na lamang ng kakulangan ng supply ng kuryente.
One problem that hinders private investment in the Bangsamoro is the inadequate power source. This is the first time that we engage with the private sector. We hope that this will continue and will be translated into reality in the near future.
Sa pagkakaisa ng mga pribado at pampublikong mga kumpanya, international community at ng ating pamahalaan na may maging daan ito sa pagsisimula ng bagong buhay sa Bangsamoro, isang masaya at magandang rehiyon balang araw. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Princess Salida Sari.